Hey! Hey! Look at it. 3,000,000 3 million. Hey! Honorable Cinco, you are too much. You are too much. So he's not a rich man. Like play. I'm among the millionaires. Hi. No, I pity you. Sorry. Just manage. Eh? Just manage it. When you come out, you will enjoy. I will give you something. Hi. Like play, I'm not a rich man. Eh? Hi. What am I going to eat now? I'll bust out. I'll lodge in a hotel. Hi, too many things I will do so that I will see that I'm enjoying it.
Can you even did good about this? You know, I don't like what you both did. Huh? Eh? How can you all gather to put fire, kerosene, fuel in an already existing fire? Just because of that accident that happened between Ugochi and my son. Unana Jakaye, ne ginger, ne mifeni or them. Is it good? Is it good?
Because see, as you are looking at me now, you are seeing a big man. Yes, I am not a big man, so I don't like talking too much. Why would your son hit somebody's sister? Eh? And just like that? Because he was rushing to go to work. Eh?
How can you say a thing like that? How could you conclude that he was rushing to go to work? Are you in his mind? Or were you in his mind? Is to your nature the thing? Were you thinking it with him? Eh? Why would you talk like that?
Where else could he be rushing to, if not to work? As you are looking at me now, I'm not a big man. I don't have time for all this kind of talk. So to avoid me now talking to you anyhow, they will say, no, so he's not talking to people anyhow because he's not rich, because he's not a big man. He think he can be doing anyhow. Please, let the dead bury the dead. You people should go and sort yourself out. If you want to beg me money for me to assist you people, fine. I can give you people. Because if I don't want to give, you can go. I don't want any trouble now. I'm a big man. Big men don't do shit. Please, bye-bye. In case, if there's anything, come to my house. We'll get some more.
What is he talking? What is he talking about? Anyway, whatever that happened, let it happen to them. He said he's rich. With that bad nigga. If one monster can be rich, every other person, even me, can be rich too. With the nigga. That is what makes him rich.
I wasn't in my eye. Don't tell me that. I wasn't in my eye. They should just sit down and watch son destroy my family. Okay, man. Huh? You should come and your phone, Yakita. Come boy, Yakita. Come and
We are behind you. Calm down. But we have to take it easy so that we don't be at the losing end. Just calm down.
You sure you're not behind me? Eh? As far as I'm concerned, Osondu must do my mama's burial. That is one thing that I know. And at the same time, he must pay for my sister's hospital bills.
That is not bad thing. Calm down.
Chidi, let's not talk about your mother's burial here. Eh? You see, we don't have to go into a war we will not win. That war is not for us. See, this is the idea. Listen, we will serve Osondu the sin he created. He created Ugoshi's problem, and he will carry it.
Bullshit. You know what? Bullshit. Listen, I just want you people to tell me where to see this man. I just want to go to his house and see him face to face. I want to leave a trademark in that house so that when he comes back, they will tell him that I came. Bullshit.
Chidi, come back.
Come back. Don't come back. We are not happy. We are angry.
Bagba. Anyway, I don't have to call this boss back. Let us sort to see what he has done to himself. Next time he will know how to handle it. Hey, the control how they will also on the town. But I said, Ozo.
Yes, Papa.
Bia. Come. You know what to do now. Go inside my room. Give me 2 bottles of hot drinks. This people know that I'm an area father. But also go.
Okay.
Hey,
I am now a millionaire. I said it and it happened. I did not believe it. I thought Honorable was joking until I hear pa. 0 6 zeros and 1 3.
Oh, hey!
How?
Hi. Wow, this is serious. But wait, though, that man is very mean.
Very mean.
Very, very.
I didn't know you would do it too.
Hey.
3 million just like that. But hi, I'm still thinking about it. From that place to here, I've been thinking. Am I the one that owns this 3 million? Oh.
Anna. Afana, I'm waiting for you to transfer my own share of the money. My own share.
Which money? My own money. Listen, let me tell you. This is not family business. This is not family money. The money is meant for me and Jane alone. Biko.
Wait. Are you trying to say you will not give me anything?
Give you anything as how? Coordinator of the business. I don't understand. I will not give you anything as part of the business. Are you the one that opened the leg? Is it not your fellow woman that is there now opening her legs to achieve make her boyfriend rich? What have you done for me? Listen, let me tell you. I'm not happy now. Chika Biko. Money is involved now. Zerum. Okay. Zerum now. I'm not happy. I'm still thinking, imagining how she will be with Honorable now. What Honorable will be doing to her? Please, Honorable, take it easy.
Hey, you know me now. You know me. You know what I can do. If you do not give me my own share of the money, I will just walk straight to her father's house and I will tell her family members what you and Jane planned and what you people succeeded in doing. And you know her brother. Trust that one. He will just roast you like corn.
Is that a threat? Is that a threat? Huh? Are you threatening me? It's a threat.
It's not a threat. Let me tell you something. It's not a threat. Rather, it's a promise. Read my lips. It's a promise. Demi, I need nothing less than 200,000 from you. And if you don't give me, if you don't give me no so, you know me. You trust me when it comes to money. You trust me when it comes to money no so. This house will not contain both of us.
Go and bring basket. 200,000. Is that how you can count money? Only 200,000. Give me whatever I don't blame you. No, I should have given you 2 million. Nonsense. You want to come and share with me? Now for Funta, my own sweat. I'm still telling you that I'm here. Imagining how Honorable will be handling her now. Hey, Honorable, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy after use. After use. Somebody will see you. So, Honorable, please. Hey, I cannot carry this to the empty head. I need start. I need to bring down my head. Where is Amaka? Amaka, come and get me something. Hey!
Yes, brother.
Amaka, pick up. Have you heard that I'm not a rich man? You go and buy me stuff. Chika is not angry. She will not test it. Go and get me stuff. Let me bring down my head. Kambutu, Biko.
Okay, brother.
You buy me other things. Bring my ATM card. Let me tell you how to come.
Hello, baby. Baby, calm down. I can hear you. Stop. Okay. What? When? How? Why? Mama was there. You know what? Just calm down. Give Mama the phone. Give Mama the phone. Hi. Mama. Mama, it's on Sunday. What is going on there now? Mama, no, now that is unacceptable. Now warn your daughter. Advise your daughter now. It's all right. Mama, I don't like it. I'm going to deal with her. I will deal with her. I will deal with your daughter. I like her. Don't tell me you handle it. Mama handle only and now you're there. I'm at work. Eh? Mama, you cannot be talking like this. You know what I went through to bring that girl home.
Oga, what is this? Eh? How can you keep us here and you're there making call? No explanation, no nothing. You don't let me call. Everything goes out of here.
Handle it. Okay, I'm coming back home now. I'll drop the passengers I'm carrying. I'll come back home now. Handle it.
Oga, please, are you okay?
Hey!
Are you okay?
What is it? What is wrong with you? Why are you being so rude? Can't I make calls anymore? Eh? Why so rude? What is so nice? What is wrong with you?
Hey! Oswanya! Grammar! Oswanya Kayasi no school. Did you go to school?
Are you an idiot? Do you know who I am? Why? Because I'm driving keke in this town. You think I'm an illiterate like you? Are you an idiot?
Hey!
Are you an idiot?
I am going to step down from this location.
Get out, Sebapo!
Oh,
Sebapo! Am I a messy call? Eh? Because I'm driving keke, I cannot call my family anymore. Come on, get out!
I am just coming down, no? But your money I won't give you. Father, sure.
Do you have money? Do you have money? Why get out of this place?
Oga, please, it's your keke, yeah? Eat it. This is that.
Who is
This
this?
is not found out that operation is going to kill you. That is what is killing you. You don't have to take us to where we are going to. You are here making call. What does the call? Someone never call. You are getting. Who am I in? You are getting. Somebody down. You drop. What are you doing?
Let me come down. I'm into there. See how he looks.
Power.
Linda, you shouldn't have called him. Not unnecessary at all. Eh?
Will you now tell me what is necessary and what is not necessary? Why is it not necessary? Eh? Look, all I am saying is you want this your anyhow daughter not to insult me again. One her. One would you want?
What is that supposed to mean? Huh? Then can you if people what does it mean? Eh?
Mama, if you come with me now, the better for us. There is big problem.
Hey! Again, Mama, leave this girl. Please.
Big problem. What is it? What is happening?
Best. Yes.
Hey, you like it? No.
Madam, say without your ability, no? Where's your son?
He's not back from work yet.
Eh?
If he went to work, he's not back yet. Can we sit down and make table and talk about it?
I must keep your seat. Keep your seat. Look, we are here to show Osondu sample of what's about to hit him. He cannot keep my sister in the hostel while he's busy hustling, looking for money.
No, listen. You know this thing people are talking about now. They say it's money matter.
Okay.
If he sits here, he cannot make that money. He can only achieve all these things you're saying through working and making more money for himself and for everybody, so that he can help take care of your sister. Eh?
You see,
He better start making good money, because he has a lot to spend. He has not even started spending. You know, go tell him to keep looking for money to come and take care of my sister.
a very big one as that. Big money.
I don't even get you people. Eh? I don't get you. Mama, why are you still begging them? What has happened has happened.
I'll say, the stubborn one.
What has happened there, man?
Yeah.
I don't understand all this rubbish talking people are saying here. Osondu has done what he's supposed to do.
Yes! Chidi, I trust you!
Irayala, are you mad?
I can't see.
No! Are you mad?
Hey!
You are seeing spirit.
Hey!
If
You slapped me.
Let me
You will
know.
kill me today!
Go to that, leave me
You
alone.
slapped me.
Sister, you cannot continue like this. You're so bitter. Calm down. You'll be well again.
My soul bleeds. I am angry.
very angry. I will never be a happy woman up until I kill Osondo. I will never be fulfilled. He can't be out there enjoying himself while he keeps me in here.
Sister, but you need to get well first before you can avenge this.
I will.
What is it? Devotion. Do not tell me that you are still angry till now.
She is.
No.
She has refused to eat.
No. Ugochi, you need to calm down. You need to calm your nerves. Do you know that for your sake, I have been pleading with the doctor not to stop your treatment and send you out? Because as you can see, Osondo has not deposited any further money. But each time I look at you, I see an angry woman. I see a woman that her heart is bleeding.
Those were my words. I am angry. Very angry. I don't mind if the doctor sends me away. I don't mind at all. It's okay by me. After all, it will speed up the vengeance I have on Osondo.
No.
I don't care.
But you are the one in a sick bed. You need to forgive Osondo for God to forgive and heal you. How do you want to remain in this condition forever?
Yes, sister. You need to forgive him and let go.
Please, get well first, okay? Sorry.
Hey!
Papa.
Let us enjoy and make merry.
I'm telling you.
It is good for a man to think twice. Think very well and think of how to make money.
Oh, yes, your brother, this is good. Austin, this is good. I don't blame you. This is good. Were you not the one that said we were doing an evil thing? Were you not the one? Nah, brother, this is good. You're opening your 32.
Sister, what do you want me to do now? Do you want me to kill my brother? All of us will go to chop the money now.
How much am I?
Talking about money. So how far now?
How far again?
I've not received my own alert. Send me my own share of the money.
When you are eating chicken?
Which chicken?
With the chicken in your mouth, with the mouth to pass it through. All of them will be in your mouth at the center and the alert will be entering your pocket. Are you a thief? Please, people should eat chicken first. I'm allowing you people to eat this because of you are my sisters. I'm waiting. Ah, baby.
Oh. I can see you're already enjoying yourself up here.
What can I do, my dear? I say, can I put to go? Let me be coming my head because When you did, when I was thinking about you, my BP was going up. Come on, get up. Yeah. Let me. It's not with my bed. Come on, sit down.
Take my mouth.
Take your mouth and take your chicken and go, please.
Let me take that home.
Take it. Come on, only them.
If you want to talk sugar,
want to finish everything. Mommy, sit down. How are you? I said, let me be eating now while you are coming. I can't know the police were up.
You can't even wait for me to come back.
My BP was going up.
Yeah.
My BP will go 7120. I said, let me, I cannot just stay like this. Before you come back, I may die. So let me use this to be coming myself. No, so don't die. Before you come. Don't worry. Cham, I can come and buy what you eat. Let her go and buy for you.
You couldn't even wait to ask me how everything went there.
How did he went? Hope he did not do it too hard. Hope you did not mourn for him. Remember, I warned you not to mourn. Wait. Is he penning you? Is your lapse penning you? Okay, Missy.
Mama, let God come down and hold you. Let God come down and hold you because I'm not going to take this at all. It's not possible.
Osando, can you please calm down?
I don't have to calm down. I don't have to calm down. That's why you're here. Did they come and slap my wife? Did I bring this girl here, so that she can be a punching bag for some idiot that strolls in here? Why would she slap my wife? Who is he? Who is he? Huh?
Osando, you better do something to them. Better do something to them. Because if you don't, by the time I take action, by the time I react, everybody will run. Everybody will run. Do something. Linda, I am sorry he slapped you. But we should take it easy because we'll get into trouble more than we already are.
Mama, look, as a matter of fact, everybody right now is in trouble with me. I swear, everybody. What is it? What did I do? What happened between me and Ukochi was an accident. Name every day. What can you make tomorrow? You need a care and no kind of and people sort it out. Why would they come here and slap my fiancé? For what?
I don't know.
For what? I'll tell him to calm down. Calm down, Rebe. Okay, see me. Who does change the thing he is? Who for change the phone to anywhere I see them? They want to see how so many idiots.
See tomorrow. I'll wait for tomorrow. They will know who Linda is. Tomorrow, they will know who Linda is. And your son, I give you only today to act. Because if you don't act, by the time my sister comes here tomorrow, I will tell her to arrest you as well. But I do something, oh.
What are you talking about?
You just say gallivanting up and down.
I'm speaking for you.
How? Did I say speak or act?
But I'm doing something.
Who are you speaking to?
Are
they here?
But I'm doing something.
Are they here?
I might not do something.
You're not doing anything.
I'm doing something.
You're standing here talking.
No, I'm shouting.
Go and act. Go and act, my friend.
But I'm doing something.
You're not going here. Making noise here. You're making noise. Go and be a man. Do something.
I might not do something.
What are you doing here?
But I'm doing something.
What are you doing here now? Tell me.
I'm shouting.
Shouting.
I'm angry.
Shouting. He's shouting the what?
Not really why on eh?
Talk.
Ojuku.
Yeah. Mama, that should sound as a sign of danger to them.
Man, you shouldn't have slapped her. Mama, can you go on? Huh? Go on again. Are you now on their side, Kogeri?
I am not.
Mama, don't provoke me, oh. I mean, who is that small girl to talk when men are talking? Onayala.
I know the family, they are looking for trouble. Osando is looking for trouble.
Mama, and that trouble, they will get it hot. Very, very hot. Even more. Mama, where is your daughter?
What sort of question is that? How do I know? Did I not leave the both of you here?
Yeah. Okay. Let her go and come back. Mama, let her go. She will meet me here.
Ojuku!
Eh? Stop, my friend.
I look on one back. Obere one. Huh?
Obere one. You slap her next time she lie on the ground.
You
have killed somebody.
Yes, no.
That serves her right.
Serves her right.
Next time, they won't try to again.
Baby, you have to be happy that he didn't touch me. He didn't touch me.
Please, Jen. I don't want to talk this kind of talk. I don't like this kind of talk, please. I don't want to be angry. Eh? How can you tell me that he didn't touch you? But you have been there since.
But he didn't touch me now. Do you want me to tell you he touched me when he didn't touch me? He didn't touch me. He didn't. I did everything you asked me to do. Even more. There was nothing I didn't do. This guy was so calm through it all. He didn't even blink. All he did was to be calming me down. He's a very nice man. Oh. Very nice and calm man.
He was blinking when you were doing it. Eh? He was calm when you were doing it. That's why he's a nice man. Please, I don't want this kind of... I don't like this kind of... Don't get me angry. Please. Don't get me angry. He didn't touch you. And you were there.
He didn't touch touch me!
You are reading Bible. Praise the Lord. You a liar.
Moi, liar. You call me a liar. No, so.
Please, let me tell you. As you see now, my head is up. My head is up. I want to go inside and think about my life. Please, you have to start going. You have to start going.
Eh? I have to start going where? No, so. Whatever you're up to. I know you're up to a game. But whatever it is, I'm smarter than that. I'm not going anywhere. Who should be angry? Me or you? Shouldn't I be angry with you? For even putting me in that situation? Now you're the one upset. Or faking to be angry.
No! I'm angry. Please, let me go inside the house and think. When you finish your chicken, you go home. As for me, I don't want to talk now. I don't want to get angry. Yes. Nonsense.
You lie.
After you have enjoyed yourself, you came back here to talk nonsense.
You
better go now.
I'm not going anywhere.
You better go now.
I am not going anywhere.
Take that chicken.
I am not going anywhere. No, so I will remain here. When you're tired of being inside, you come out and meet me. Nonsense. Hey, look at this one. Who should be upset, me or you? I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to get me angry so that you can. Well, it will not work. I will sit here. When you are done, you still come back here and meet me. Not until we discuss the sharing formula. I'm not leaving this place. Can you imagine this? Hey, wonder shall never end. Don't so all this your drama. Don't worry, I understand it. I understand it. You didn't get angry before I went there. Now that the money is in your account, you want to pretend to be angry or act to be upset. So fun.
I'm telling you, sister, two of them. I told you, but you said I should go first. And that fool came back and did not do anything to them. Sister, oh, just yesterday and today, I've received hot slaps. What is this? I'm not going to just again like you. Sister, I'm telling you.
Hello? My in-law. My in-law. No.
What's on my phone?
We are handling it. Don't mind her now. Calm down. Yes, we'll be fine. Eh? And thank you. I'll call you.
What's on my phone? What is all this now?
What would you say? This is between me and you.
Between you and who?
It's between me and you.
What did you do when you came back?
I will do something.
Hey! Also, if you know what is good for you, go and avenge and revenge for me now.
I will do something.
Also do.
I will do something.
Go and do something, though.
I will do something.
If you don't want to work tomorrow, go and do something.
I will do something.
Go now.
I will see your condition.
Go now.
You cannot be back. You just sit down.
Also, I said you should go now. Go and fight them. What is all this? You just came back and you did not do anything. What kind of man I use them?
Please.
I told you they wired me 2 hot slaps.
These people are angry. They are not happy. Something happened to their sister. You can understand their anger.
How is that my business, Osondu? I said you should go and revenge, Osondu. Go and do something. You sit down there.
I will do something.
Okay, sit down there. Where? You just want to stay there doing nothing.
See your condition. I love you. Okay.
I see.
You need to calm down.
You want to walk? You want to walk where? You will see what? Stay there.
I will do something.
Stay there. I will give you that one. You see that one? I will not give it to you.
I will do something.
I will give you that one.
Chika, what do you want me to do? Explain to me, what do you suggest I do?
Very simple. I suggest you go to your father's house. Go to your house and allow my brother to think. He's a man. Hardworking man thinks. So allow him to think. Go, is this your father's house? Go home!
Chika, me. Oh, this is the plan, eh? This is the plan all along. That I help your brother to make money and then you trash me. Is that it will not work. I am not going anywhere. It will not work, Chika. You have failed.
Okay.
I will remain here. He will come outside now.
See, Jay, don't talk like that. My brother Nonso is the man now. He has to think. I tell you.
Amaka, you are mad. You are very mad. God punish you for that statement. Who do you think you are talking to? Who is your mate? Look at this one, oh. Oh, if I didn't do it, you people will say, you don't want our brother to become rich, oh. You guys were practically begging me. Now I have done it. And the money is with you. And you want to trash me. You are mad.
You don't shout in people's compound.
Nonso. This is it, eh? Nonso! Nonso!
Jane.
Hey!
Jane. 3 times. I called you 3 times. You have to go. You have to go. Let me think. Because it's not easy for me to swallow the shame. The shame of my own girlfriend staying with another man having fun. Huh?
You slapped my brother! You are very mad! God punish you for this statement! Hey! Me! Nonso! Me! Nonso! Are you serious? Are you joking or what?
You slapped me.
And I will slap you again! Are you mad? Are you mad? Hey Nonso! What do you think you're talking to? Me! After you have begged me! I did it because of you! What did you just do to me? I'm not talking to you, Chika! Out of my way! This is not your fight! And I will slap him again! Out of my way! Madam Big Breast! Leave me alone! Madam, shut me up! I will squeeze your breast! I will carry you like this and you to the Chika! Jane! Nonso! Chika, out of my way! Nonso! I know what your mind is telling you to do. I know what your mind is telling you to do, but let me tell you. You had better not. Because if you as much as try it, you're going to regret it though. You're going to regret it. Let me tell you. Leave our house! Go, Jane! Go! Get out!
Fool! This slap is 1 million.
God punish you! I promise you! I will deal with you! God will punish you! My God will punish you! Hey! I will squeeze out your breast for you! God punish all of you! I am coming for you! Hey! Let her go!
You see this slap? 1 million naira is gone.
Yes, sir.
From the money.
Yes, sir. We are only half 500,000.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, slap. Allow her to go. Let this slap now be her goodbye gift to you. Let that slap be her goodbye gift to you. Yes, but leave her. We need to think.
That slap is 1 million.
Hey.
One slap is 1 million.
I know.
Her money is gone.
Yes, we are owing her now 500,000. That's what we are owing her. Butu, no working cable. Butu, you're a man. You're a man.
Never!
Hey! No,
leave her, brother Nonso.
Hey!
She's a woman, leave her.
She's a woman.
I will not let this go.
I know.
I will deal with you.
Yes, I know.
Butu.
No, sir! No, see a good man.
I'm going after her.
It's me that is talking to you. I
said leave Jane. Allow me.
I can't do Jane. Leave Jane.
Allow me.
But I know so it's okay.
I'll deal with her.
Babe, you're going to be serious about this thing, eh? This girl came with bad luck.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my friend. You can say that again. But will Osondu listen? Will my own brother listen? No. Do you know that this girl has brought nothing but bad luck? Since she came in, peace has left our home. And to tell you, my brother has been begging her since to come and know our home. She refused. The day she decided to come, she brought in trouble.
Trouble? Babe, I don't understand. Tell me now.
She took in for my brother.
Yay!
And my brother has been begging her to come and know our village. She refused. He even pleaded with her for him to come and marry her. She refused. And her sister is a police officer and has been threatening my brother. Just yesterday, she decided to come and visit home. In that process, my brother was hurrying, running like a madman to go and pick her from the junction that he hit Ugochi down. Since that yesterday, my friend, Peace has carried it back and left our home. In fact, Peace has traveled from this village because of one girl.
Babe, now wow. Now wow. Your brother really injured her. And her family, they are not happy about it. Okay. Tell your brother, tell Osondu he's your brother. Advise him.
Me?
Yes, now.
I should tell Osondu. My own Osondu, my brother. That one, he will not listen, no. He will not listen. So far as that girl is involved, my brother is deaf. He will not listen. But as for me, I am here. I am just going to sit down and be calming down and be watching them. I will not stress myself.
talk to him. He's your brother. Just
Jane, I don't want to lose it. Where are you coming from? You'll be claiming virgin in this house. Else, I will test you now. Jane, where are you coming from?
Ojukwu, Mama, leave Jane alone. She's of age. Whatever Jane sees, she'll manage it. She'll take it. Leave her alone.
But why are you crying? Did I touch you?
No.
Then why are you not crying?
Father, it's not so.
What about Nonso?
Nonso wants to dupe me.
Dupe? What is going on here? I don't understand. Enlighten me. Which one is dupe?
Me and Nonso, we went for a business deal.
Yeah.
And we made 3 million naira. And no, someone wants to dump me and eat all the money alone.
Jane, my beautiful sister, my only sister. You made 3 million naira with Nonso, you did not tell me. You didn't even tell me.
But that's what I'm telling you now.
What kind of business is that? And why does he want to eat all the money alone?
Mama, this is business now. Jane, sit down. Jane, which of the Nonso are you talking about? That's one. Second, what kind of business are we looking at?
So, brother, what did you all agree on?
Dolly, my sister, we agreed that we should kick off with the Dolly plans. In as much as there is no money, but we've agreed to kick off with it. Hey, go check on why is she doing?
Brother, sister is not fine, no. She's in pains. And her heart is broken.
Broken?
She has been so bitter. Brother, do you know that since yesterday she hasn't slept in now?
Yes.
Did you people see your son do?
Yeah, didn't you tell her away? Abafu. He was so lucky that we didn't see him in the house. I and Ojukwu went there, but he was nowhere to be found. In fact, I and Ojukwu has promised that first thing tomorrow morning that we will go to his house before he goes off to work.
Better, because he cannot go scot-free after doing this to my sister. He needs to pay for it.
Yes, now.
And again, brother, the doctor, he has been threatening to send us out if we don't bring the remaining money tomorrow.
Don't say that one. Huh? It won't come to that. Don't worry. Also, you must bring money. All guy will tell you, he must bring money. And let him just play that nothing happens to my sister. If not, he must marry her. He can't just put her in this condition and go scot-free. On Ayala. Hey. Don't worry. Let me go and see the doctor. I will come back. Just stay with her. I'll be back.
Come out, Nonso! Where is this idiot?
Who is here? Nonso, come out! Nonso!
Where is Nonso?
Jane and Ojukwu, how can we help you people?
Chika, please, get in there and call out your stupid brother for us.
Nonso! Come on, some people are here to see.
Nonso! Where are you?
Hey, don't shout at me.
Don't shout at me. Who is shouting? You are somebody's house.
Nonso.
You are in the house of a millionaire. Don't shout at
Nonso.
Tell them.
Have you seen him mad before?
You're mad.
Yes. Have you seen
I've
him
not
mad
heard or seen that you are mad Unless it's now. Just started today.
Mad!
Madness! Oh, yeah, start!
Brother, go straight to the point. Go straight to the point, please. Don't waste time with this man. I'm becoming impatient, though.
No, so go in there and bring my stash of the money. Hey! That is the only way to be peace in this place.
Hey!
Else, no, so I'm losing it, oh. No, so I'm losing it, oh. No, so I'm losing it.
Which money? Which money are you talking about?
Is it your business, Chika? We didn't come here for you. Please, this does not concern you. Stay out of this. Stay out of it.
Jen, Jen, is this how you want to come back to me? Are you looking for a way to come back to me? Or do you want us to expose ourselves?
Let us expose ourselves. Let us expose, because what are you waiting for? What is there? Am I the first? Expose yourself now and let the whole world know how useless and shameless you are. Look at this idiot. You sent your girlfriend to go and sleep with a man.
Small girl.
Money. Is that not it? And now you want to embezzle it all by yourself. So that you can gallivant around town with your stupid other girlfriends. It will not work.
Never.
You have failed.
Never.
Nonsense.
Is that your annoyance?
No, so go in there and bring my sister 1.5 million. And you will keep your 1.5 million. Yes, no, so.
James Bond.
No, so.
James Bond.
You won't like what you're about to see now, no, so. No, so what will happen? You know me. What will happen? I tell from the start of the previous. And when I speak, not last time, my spirit is moving. You know.
Your spirit is about to die. Yes, your spirit. You will start looking for your spirit. For you to come to the house of a rich man without respect, you will lose your spirit. Look at you. Do you know how the money came about? You know, look at you. 1.5 million. Look at how easy you said it. Can you count 1.5 million?
Ask him.
If I tell you to count it, can you count it?
Yeah,
have you ever seen 1.5 million? So look at that's what you want. Let me tell you, I'm not giving you people anything. And if I thought I'm going to give you any money, I'll do it because of God. Good. I will do it because I'm a rich man. Somebody can come and ask beg me for money.
Hey!
Now you people are begging me for money. I can go to Ajali now and transfer money to your account. But to make sure that once I transfer that money to you, this relationship and I go me. Yes, this relationship.
I don't understand.
It's over.
It's over.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
You can't beg me again.
Are you serious?
Stop begging me. Don't beg
me. The relationship is long over. What do I want from you? Do I look like I'm begging you? What do I need you for? What do I want to do with you? Shameless man. Look at you. Very shameless. Stupid man.
Okay.
Give me my money, Joe.
No, so go and put money.
I will give you some money. I will give you that money. Since you want money.
I want.
From your house, you will be hearing the music. Playing the day I will be doing my traditional marriage with another girl.
No, so.
From your compound, you will be peeping. See people dancing.
I beg.
You will not eat any rice or drink
go
any
in
rice.
and put money. I'm waiting for you.
No,
so I'm losing it. No, so.
No, so
go and put the money.
No,
so go and put the money. No, so go and put the money.
Look at this one.
No, so go and put the money. No, so take it alone.
No,
so take it alone.
No, this is so bad. I didn't know about it.
What else do you want me to say? In fact, I'm just even coming back from the mortuary where I kept my mama, and Ugochi is still in the hospital too.
Accept my condolence, okay?
Well, thank you, Honorable.
Meanwhile, I'll be going to the local government tomorrow morning, and I'll be back by 1 to 2 p.m. Okay? This is my card.
Okay.
Call me so that we can sit in and talk. I know your name is not on the list, but I will visit, okay?
Hey, Honorable.
I'll visit.
God bless you.
No problem.
God bless you very much.
No problem.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you very much.
Ifeanyi, where have you been? I've been waiting for you. Alright, go in, I'm coming. Alright then.
Thank you, sir.
My son, two people cannot be mad at the same time. Let's find a way to pacify this people so that we can all have peace.
Mama, I don't have money. Joe, I have given them what I have. Yes. As a matter of fact, Mama, you encouraged me to bring Linda here so that she can spend some time with us. That way we get to know her better and then see if we can carry on with the marriage plans. Okay?
Yes.
Good. So how am I going to achieve that now if I carry all the money that I work for and give to Rachel and her family? How?
My son. Mama, remember what you told me when the same thing happened?
What did I tell you?
You said when you got to the hospital, they said you should deposit money. And you came home telling me you had only 10,000 naira. That is that 10,000 is what you'll be able to give to them.
I give it to them.
Ordinary enough now.
No,
let us complete this money.
No, let them complete it, Mama. Let them complete it. This is an accident. I have contributed my what I can contribute. Let them also contribute for their daughter. Yeah, just sweetheart.
Isn't it not time to sleep?
It is.
So what are you still doing here?
I'm just talking with Mama.
Mama, what are you both discussing? I hope it's not on how to go and beg those boys. Because I'll be angry. I'll be angry.
My daughter, we cannot welcome you into our house with war. We are peaceful people. Our family is a peaceful family.
I don't care, Mama. As you see me like this, Mama, I am war. Okay? So if it's trouble, I like it. Let them bring it. Osando, let's go and sleep.
Okay.
Because I need you to call me this now.
Okay.
Osando, why don't talk?
Yes, Mama, good night.
What does your mouth? Can't you see I'm pregnant for him? I need him this night. What did I tell you now?
That you need me now.
What did I say now?
I should go to bed.
Osando, what did I just say now?
Oh, that you want me to cuddle you from back.
Let's go.
Mama, good night.
Hey! Will my son survive this marriage? Touch and follow. Die hard.
Jane, are you sure he didn't touch you?
Umba. He didn't touch me. See, Mama, that man, Honorable Simko, he's a very nice man. Hey, the man is nice, oh. If you see what I did to him and I couldn't even get a single reaction from him, brother, I punched him, dragged him, pulled him, pinched him. Hey, you needed to see me in action. But despite all I did, Mama, this man didn't react. He was just sitting there calmly. Instead, he was even laughing at some point. I'm telling you. All he said was, Jane, just calm down. Sit down, let's talk. You know me and also we had our game plan before I got there. Everything we planned, I executed it. Even added sugar to it and salt. He didn't move this man. He was so calm. He's a nice man, oh.
Honorable, did you actually mean what you just said?
Yes. I'm a politician, and there's no way I can soil my hand in such a dirty issue when I've been giving out money to help my own community. Jane, I'm single. If not that you're already in love, I would have married you.
Honorable, I'm really sorry, okay? I'm sorry about my behavior, sorry about the way I talked to you. And it's not really my fault. You know, I was just acting out the scripts I and also planned.
I understand. Jane, I do, and that was why I was laughing.
You do?
Yes, I do. In his mind, he has given you to me for me to take advantage of you, not knowing that he has signed his own loan for the community youth empowerment by Senator Ibeme. And I've been creating people who is on my list.
Hey.
Yes.
Honorable, is my brother's name on the list?
Jane.
Can you help us, please?
Jane, I will.
Okay? I'll work it out.
You will?
But please, don't tell him this.
Of course not.
Please don't.
Honorable, don't worry. I will sort it out with him personally. But you have to find a way of helping my brother, please.
No problem, I will, Jen.
Chai.
I will. So...
I'm very sorry, okay? I'm very sorry for the way I behaved. I behaved really bad. I'm really sorry.
No problem, Jen. This is wonderful. My sister, for the first time you are thinking smart. Very.
Umba, I won't take that. Stop it. Brother, what is that? Because don't use the opportunity to insult me.
Jane, I'm not insulting you. It's just a compliment. You see, that fool thinks he's wise.
Yes. But where is the wiseness now?
It's enough. Let's forget about now. So for now. Jane.
Yes, Mama.
I think you should go back to Cinco.
Hey! Look at this one. And you're the one telling me what I already know, sis. I am going back. I am definitely paying him a visit again. This time on my own. Mommy, you don't need to tell me I'm my mother's daughter. My God. See, by the time that stupid big-headed idiot called Nonso will realize that the money he's enjoying now is actually his own loan. He should have been late. But what is my business? I don't want to concern me. See, my only prayer for him is he shouldn't lavish it on girls. Because you know Nonso now, in the name of enjoyment, my spirit tells me that he's going to lavish this money on girls. But what it concern me, Mama? Is it my business? Hey, I'm going back.
Jen, don't be angry. I'm your brother and I'm still thinking. What if Honorable Cinco tried to, make an attempt to go down there? What would you have done?
Hey, look at the question he's asking me. Hey, brother, I would have scamper. I would have run. Me, Jane, put myself in that kind of, for what? I can never be caught in that kind of situation. Me, I am smarter than that. Of course. Mama, I would have run away. I would have run in such a way that my legs will be touching the back of my head. Me, Jane. Hey, I only consented because I know that, one, I wanted Nonso to have the money, knowing that me will have my own share in that money.
Good. The money will also help your brother. You know.
Not only that, I am going there to tap my share. I will collect my own from there too. Mama, don't you trust me? Ojuku, aka Africa. I must get my own there.
Please don't just go there and spoil things for me.
No, you are. So, we meet you here today. You think you can run away from us?
Wait, what is this? What is this? Why are you carrying knives? What are you doing here? Oh! Hold on! So two of you came here to confront me. You know what? Get out. Get out of my premises! Lily! Or you will not get out. We should get out of your house! Wait. Look
at this animal! Look at this animal! You think you can run there? You can run!
Wait. Is it because of you two that we ran out from the house? So you've been the ones making this noise in this compound? You bunch of small village boys. Come on, drop that knife on the floor. Hey!
Mama,
my friend, drop that knife.
Mama, tell your son to come out here and explain what he did to my sister.
Exactly. How can you expect him to come out when both of you are carrying weapons? If you kill him, who will take care of this whole Ugochi you are talking about now?
Mama, I told you before, as you see me so, I get hot temper, and a quick vest, I be stubborn. When I'm talking of flies, my spirit is moving. Now, tell your son to come out, else there'll be war here. You say today. You want to come out?
let me call him.
I said, bring your son! Break him, Madonna! Break your son! I said, bring your Get to come on, Mama! Pastor! I don't dance! Tell him to come outside! You should shut up! Mama! Tell your son to come outside! Mama! Tell him to come outside! I said, come outside! You said we will kill to go! Tell your son to come outside! So then we come outside! We kill him today! Come outside! Nobody should know for the English and not Scott. I said come outside! No, come outside! Come outside! God punish you! I'm not Scott. God punish you! Come outside! Come outside! You take today! You punish you! Come outside! Come outside! Mama, stop now! Leave me alone! No! Leave me alone! Who do they think they are? To come here and threaten me in my own house? Eh? No, stop!
Listen.
Mama!
Shut up! Let him to deal with these people. Don't you know that he that fight to run away, we live to fight again. If you go there, you kill them or they kill you, we will all sit here and be regretting it. Mom, stay.
Mama, leave him to go and deal with those boys. Eh? Any moment from now, those boys will be lavishing in police cell. I'm telling you.
Leave him. Leave him to go and fight them. So, how about if they kill your husband? Eh? Husband. They cannot. Because them don't mind her. Because only for the leader.
Mama, you will not give birth to a coward.
I know.
I'm not going to stay here. This idiot will not come to my house here and threaten me and you're telling me to run and stay in here. Oh, not possible. No. Who do they think they are? No, who do they think they are? These idiots, I am Bieba. Be very more, and you're telling me to stay back. It's not possible. It is not possible. It's not possible. Mama, let me go.
Mama, let him go. I will with you.
Mama, let me go. Mama, let me go. Mama, let me go.
Eri Mary na dị mma ma ịkpata ego Eri Mary na dị mma ma ịkpata ego ịkpata 3 million eribe Eri Mary Ah, my cup is overflowing. My cup is overflowing. I'm now on money. Hey! It's good though. It's good to have a girlfriend that can agree to do what you want. Hey! Hey, let me eat when I'm alive.
No, so what is going on here? No, so tell me who I'm talking to.
Anybody? Enjoyment galore. Let me eat when I'm alive, not when I'm dead. People go squander my money.
No problem. I don't have a problem with you enjoying your money. Yeah, you have to go. Just give me my own share of the money.
Your own share of the what? Your own share of Akara or your own share of which money? Huh?
My own share of the money now.
Did I make money with you? Did I make money with you? Let me tell you. You said you threatened that you're going to tell her family that I gave her to Honorable for him to give us money. Go ahead. They already know. As for her, she will lose it. She will be the one to lose it. Yes, she has lost already. Because after this drinking I come, I will marry another girl.
No, the billionaire guy. No, the latest billionaire in town. No, Neko. Hey, it's about one name. Oh, no, it's about one name. No, Bani. Ogalayambo mume. Oh, Ogalayambo mume. One no Ogalaya can go. Oh. Our cup is overflowing.
You should have sounded like this before. You should have sounded this way earlier. Not sounding as if we and I own the money. As if you follow me to rack the brain. The money brain to get the money. For both of us to get the money.
I don't know. No. I'm your sister, oh. I'm your sister. Do you like the way I am roaming around this village doing nothing? Even in the city. Roaming around doing nothing. No job, nothing. Just help my life. I'm your sister, oh. Just name what ego. I'm way better at my life.
You should have sounded this way. You should have sounded this way earlier. When I was racking the brain to get Jen for her to go to Honorable to get this money. Were you there? Eh? Don't worry. I will see what I can do. Drink I can first. Go and bring spoon. Let's drink that. Did I buy the stamps for you? You are drinking share of your own money.
How can you say that now?
Go and get spoon.
Don't finish it, or I'm coming. I'm coming, oh.
Where are you with the spoon?
Mama, I will not take this. Where's my sister and the husband? Oh, the husband is inside. Your sister is waiting. I will deal with both of you. I will make your lives miserable. My only sister. My sister. I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Useless boys.
Oh, God. It's not me. It was him. It was him.
You, my sister. The only sister I have. You want to beat her up? I will deal with both of you. Wait for me. You will see how wicked I am. Useless boys.
Thank you.
Oh, my in-law. You're here.
Where's my sister?
Oh, she's fine. She's inside.
Osondu, my friend.
Oh, I'm not your friend.
Osondu, my friend.
I'm your friend now.
Brother Osondu, because...
Hold on.
I will make your life miserable.
My in-law, hold on. I'm not your friend.
Brother Osondu, because...
Don't worry. They will see another side of me.
Osondu, my friend.
I'm your friend.
Osondu, my friend. I'm not feeling too fine. I'm not feeling too fine.
Actually, feeling bad will not accelerate the healing process of your injury. My nurse already told me so much, so I don't want to look wicked. So I advise you see the accountant before you leave. I don't care who is paying. But make sure my cashier is sane, not later than today.
Yes, doctor. Don't worry. We'll do something today.
Nurse, when they pay, you let me know.
Ebere, take very good care of her.
Aku masih di, abisku masih lepas. Ifenga jamanya, ifenga jamanya.
Who told you this?
Mugi said it at the stream. Cinco. How could Cinco say such a thing? Wait.
Hey! Why would Honorable lie to me? Is he an honorable liar? Eh? So it was my own money, my own loan that I even shared with Jen. She will give me back that money, oh. Else there'll be a serious war.
Yes, so I support you. I am fully in support of this decision you just made now.
Brother, you have to go and see him. You have to do something. If not, this girl will not give you back that money.
If that girl will not give me that money, Cinco will pay. For what? Cinco now, why will you do something like this now? Eh? He will give. See, I will not matter he's an honorable. I will not matter he's an honorable. I will go there now. Or Jen will give me that money. Eh? Jen must give me that money. Don't worry. Let me go and prepare. I'm going for a walk.
And I bet SIM card. And I bet SIM card. What? I thought he's a big man.
You don't know these people. You don't even know them. I'm even surprised.
Hey!
Well, I have told you what I have. 20,000 naira. That is what I have. That is what I have to give. I cannot kill myself.
Don't worry. If you don't have money to pay, I will pay. In fact, I will find a way to pay that money. Eh? Forget the fact that your wife's sister is a police officer. You think she'll always be here to protect you? No, don't live with her.
Because if those boys had caught you today, before she would come and do her gara police, they would have killed you.
Mama, why are you talking like this? Eh? Why are you always talking this way? My sister is able and capable to deal with those small boys.
Brother, listen to Mama. Listen to your own mother. It is not he who calls police that wins. Oh. Be wise, oh. I have said my own. Don't allow them to deceive you. Me, I have said my own.
Awesome. Can you imagine the way your sister talks to me? Eh? One her! One her! One you doing what? One her! How many talk is that one?
Linda, why do you always like trouble? Can't you live in peace with everybody around you? Do things amicably with people around you.
Mama, is it me you're talking to anyhow? Eh? Me? That I'm carrying your grandchild? Your first grandchild?
No, it's not you. I'm talking to myself. You heard me talking to myself.
Osando,
I'm talking to you.
Why are you not talking? Osando, why are you not talking?
Talking.
Oh, you're just whooping at me. You're just whooping at me, okay? Okay. No problem. You know what to talk about? You know what to talk about, Osando? Don't worry until night comes. Eh? Don't worry. I know where to catch you. You know how? He'll drag you. No problem.
What? Why would the lady arrest them?
Honorable, if you ask me, I don't know. I don't know what to, I don't know. Well, you just have to come and help us, please. Eh? Just help us.
Just calm down. Please sit down, okay? Let me call the DPO to get them released, okay? Sit down.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, what would I offer you?
No.
Because my PAs are not here right now. I'm all alone in the house.
Honorable, don't worry. Okay, it's not a good time. It's okay, I'm fine.
Okay.
But if you don't mind, I could come help prepare you something later, if it's okay.
No problem, no problem. Let me call the DPO to get them released, okay?
Please.
So this is how you people want it. Eh? It will be bloody, oh! It will be bloody!
Hey, Ichie. Yeah, then I'm not bloody one. Let it not be bloody. Eh? They'll be released. Eh? Is it not just police said they went to? Did they go to prison?
Ugonwa, I pity you and your family because you don't know what you've entered.
Ichie, enough. Did you come here to resolve this? Or you've come here to threaten all of us? I don't like it, oh. Okay. I don't like what you're doing. If you're not going to resolve this problem, leave. How can you come here? You're threatening me, you're threatening my mother. For what?
Ichie. Huh? So you walked into this compound with this thing, this cap. What's the color of this cap?
Red.
No, it's purple.
Okay.
You walked in with this purple cap to come and talk rubbish.
Huh?
You will leave here now before you join them in sale.
Myself?
Before I count 1, you're out of here.
More.
Before I count 1, that's here. Half. Stop. I said half.
So you are counting for me to leave this compound? You small girl, want to take the carry? Huh?
Ichie.
Huh? It's so guachum. Mo pourquoi? Ugonwa.
All the bag already. All the bag already.
But I used to yourself, you should have tried to make peace instead of making the matter worse. Eh? It's not quite Linda Nebu. Ah! What is this?
Mama, you are too gentle.
Eh? You need to be.
Babe, that guy is very wicked though. Osondu Walajo wicked.
Now wow.
Hi. If you see my sister, you will not believe that's her again. And you know the most painful thing? Osondu is not remorseful. It looks like someone that will repeat that same thing again. Babe, anyhow you want to do this, I will follow you. Both police, so your brother, so is a mokaiti aka. I will follow you. I am your friend now. That is why I am your friend. We will fight him. He must pay for it. Hi. He must pay for it. The kind of anger I have inside of me. If I see Osondu, I will bite him. I share that anger with you. Eh? He must pay. You make it. For what? He's not even remorseful. Wow. This guy, they very wicked though.
So angry. I'm very angry.
Fight him. Unu Chubaya. Follow him. He must pay. He's too wicked.
Aku wasih di, abisku wasih lah. If I got your moya,
Honorable, I'm on my way to your house because I want to confirm something from you.
Is there any problem?
Is it about the money you gave to me? I want to know what it is meant for.
No, sir, but we had an agreement. Now listen, let me tell you. That money is a loan that Senator Ibemi is giving out to assist his youth. And meanwhile, I added your name long time ago. But I wanted to play prank on you. So you can ask your girl here, I didn't touch her. I didn't. Yes.
You didn't touch her?
I didn't. And meanwhile, the loan is expected to be repaid after 3 years.
3 years to pay
So you have to really work your ass out to get
No, Honorable, it cannot happen. Jane, then you have to come down. We have a lot of things to talk about.
Oh my God!
What is this?
Really? We have a lot to talk about, you and I. You must be joking. I have nothing to discuss with you. And this relationship, I mean, me and you, over.
It cannot be over.
Okay?
Honorable.
Stupid man.
Baby,
please start this car. Let's get out of this place. Baby, drive off with it.
No, so come down on my car.
No, so. Hey.
Make her go police.
No, so
Make her go police.
What's your
You will not
problem?
leave this place.
No, so come down from my
I
car.
will not come down. I will not
No, so
come
come down.
Never. Honorable.
Get over here. What's the problem? I am here. No, sir. What's the problem? I am here.
Okay. Hey, no, stop. Come on, leave.
I want you money.
Are you okay?
Okay.
I want you money.
What's wrong with you? I'm warning you. I am warning you.
I want you.
Okay. Where's your car?
No, sir. That's stupid.
Bastard. Why bastard? Shut up, man. Come on, collect money from me. Come on, collect money. Go punch you. Come on, take the money.
That's not what you with you. I want it.
Master, you are trying me. Okay.
Because I will kill you. I will kill you for your time. You will rot in jail. I'm warning you.
Okay.
Stay away from this thing.
Let's go.
Honorable Rambo. Hey, just move it.
Plenty wahala, too many problems for this world. Too many problems. Plenty wahala, too many problems for this world. Plenty wahala, too many problems for this world. Plenty wahala, too many problems for this world.
There's food inside, Okay. It's much. Give it to her. Make sure she takes her food, though. Make sure she eats well.
Yes, Mama.
Oh?
Mama, thank you. Thank you very much. What of Brother Ojuko and Brother Chidi? Will they be released today?
They will be released today. Honorable Simcoe has gone to the police station to pay for their bill, so they will be released today.
Mama, thank you very much. Let me rush.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Full my head.
If you like break the sky, there's no two ways about it. You are evil, Linda. You are evil. Since you came to this village, you've been bringing issues from one issue to another problem. Linda, what is it? Ujuma, very stupid. Do you hear me? You are stupid. Very stupid. But no problem. You will soon understand. Very soon, Igarota. What can you do? What else than call my brother to come and beat me? Let him come! Let him come and kill me! After all, since you came to this village, peace has run away. Peace has evacuated from this village and my family. Hey! Linda, ask yourself questions now. Sit down. gather one or two, ask yourself questions. You met my brother in the city, doing a job interview, and he slept with you in his room. Immediately later, bad luck, he lost the job. You took him and came to the village. The first day you came to the village, you brought a bunch of bad luck home. Since that date, from one problem to another. Hey, Linda! Look at it well. Just look where you will see. You're not meant for my brother. Go back to your house. Back your load with your big
No words, June. You're just a noisy. Yes. You have your mouth. Run it anyhow you like. It's free. Just go ahead and run your mouth. I don't blame you. I am the one that came to live with you people in this your house. And then you think you can rub shoulders with me. No, you are now rubbing shoulders with me. You don't know your age grades again, or where?
That's the biggest joke I've heard in my life. Linda, so you feel you're a big girl? Hey, yeah. My friend, get out. You're just a foolish somebody. What's that?
Is it me you just called foolish? Eh? Am I the one you just called foolish right now?
Hey, Linda, you just slapped me.
If they really born you well, if you say you are a woman, slap me back. It does not end in running your mouth. Slap me back, Ujungwa. Then you will know that my sister is a policewoman. And you will see yourself in jail. You will die and rot there. Try it.
Linda, it's like you're mistaking between fear and respect. I'm not afraid of you. Neither am I afraid of that your sister. Is it because she's wearing black and black? I'm not afraid of that black and black. I am only respecting my brother. Linda, take your time. The next time you will lay this your stupid hands on me, I will bury you and this thing you're carrying alive.
My friend, shut up. Shut up your mouth. I said you should slap back now. Why are you waiting for the next time? Slap back now. Nonsense. You know what? You will see. You will see in this house.
You. Would you? Linda, you. Hey, hey! Don't worry. Me and you in this house. No worry. Hey! You laid your hands on me. Linda, you. Hey!
I called you all here because of what is going on. Okay. Osondo, I don't like what you did. Why would you hit a girl and abandon her in hospital and run away? Why?
With all due respect to Honorable, I don't know how they told you the story. I hit a girl quite alright. With my keke. It was an accident. These things happen all the time. But I did not abandon her. I gave money. I gave money. I gave money at the hospital. Oh, they did not tell you that part. Okay.
Listen to me. That police girl, I know her. Don't get me angry. I don't want to get involved in this matter because if I do, you won't like me.
Honorable, please don't be angry. Don't get involved, Biko. Don't get involved. You settle it. I haven't been talking to you.
Osondo, let me tell you, you have jam, oh. You have jam.
With all due respect to Honorable, did you bring me here to threaten me? Oh, no, he's threatening me.
No, don't talk like that.
No, he's threatening. No, he's threatening me. I'm not threatening him. Oh, Linda. Hello, baby. I can hear you. Yeah, I'm coming now. I'm coming now. What? Huh? Now. Okay. I'm coming now. I'm coming. Mommy is Linda. She wants me. We finish with them.
Warn him. I'm just not tell you. Yeah. Yeah. Outside of not tell you. We'll get him now. Chennai police. Stupid!
So this is true.
I'm telling you, that girl has gone far. Eh? Honorable now carries her in his car. You can imagine. Honorable now carry her up and down in this village. They will see.
I knew it. I knew it. Brother, what will you do now?
She must give me that money.
Of course.
She must give me that money. If she don't give me that money, there will be a serious war in this village. Else, Honorable will pay.
Yes, so we declare war in this village.
How can I share my own my own loan, 3 million, with her? And everybody, and they are clapping for her. Never. I will not use my own loan to do girlfriend and boyfriend. She must give me back my own. Can you imagine she telling me that it's over between us?
She dares not to. She dares not. Until she pays you every kobo she owes you. Until that time, it will be over. But for now, don't worry, let me dress up. Whatever she has in Cinco, I will end it. And today.
Please, try and end it, though.
I will end it.
Try and end it. After all, you will not be can care. Eh? Go there. Anything you can do it. That's it to Mama himself. Go is vulnerable. Eh? Try anything you can do to get Cinco. You too. Do something for me. Do something for me. You should have followed her now. Better follow her. Follow her now.
What do you want me to do?
Follow her. When I go see Cinco, you will never see her. So Cinco will be confused. And come back to your bed.
I'll kill you. Leave her alone. Leave her for what?
Leave her.
Leave her for what? Tell her to stop insulting my wife. Okay.
You see, who is your wife? Eh? Did you pay her dowry? Let her start going on. She's causing so much pain in this house. You are killing her. Now leave her. Now don't leave her. Leave her. I'm not liking this. I am not liking this at all. I don't know whether you brought into this family. Is it war or peace? What is this?
Mama, do you even understand what is going on here? She insulted me.
Because you're who? Nonsense. Osandu, warn your wife. Biko. Because she caused all this.
How? How is my wife the problem?
She is the cause.
How?
Because she was one that called you when we're holding peace talk. For you to come and kill your sister. Therefore you made things worse for us. Listen, if you continue like this, I'm going to wash my hands off this whole matter. You just give me
Mama, I'm leaving this house, oh. People should carry this house and eat. I will go and meet Auntie Kechi.
Very good.
That will be good. Hey, leave, oh. Go. Stupid girl.
She said she's leaving.
Isn't that what you want? Upright feature.
Sweetheart, come. Come. How far now? You want sugar? You want some sugar?
I want it.
Ngano. I bet you one.
How am I sure this guy is going to make a good wife? You see, tell son. One.
Iche, between my family and Osundu's family, there's a vendetta. War! Blood! This is the beginning of the fight. Let him go and call army.
Ojukwu, in as much as I'm concerned, Osundu must marry Ugochi. If he dare not, I will take this case to another level. This time around, my own way.
Good.
Ichio, whether you like, do it your own way, Obasam. All I want to do is to retaliate. That is all. Eh? I just want to put a telemark mark on his body. That is all Ugochi wants, so finish it. But I want to give you an advice, two of you. You see, I want you to go and meet Cinco, so that we include your names inside the loan scheme, because I heard that they've started giving loan.
But Iche, thank you very much. He told us to come today or tomorrow. Today.
Maybe we should go today.
Yes. We will go. Hey, we almost forgot to. That notwithstanding, Osundu must die.
Nkao, one time. Don't kill him. Let him marry Ugochi. Nkao, one time. If he dies, nobody will marry Ugochi. He's incapacitated. Oh? Okay. Let him marry Ugochi.
Okay. Okay, that is how we could have just missed that moment.
You're welcome, okay?
Thank you very much.
Please sit down.
Hey.
Make yourself comfortable.
Of course. Oh no. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm good.
Oh no, I heard you came back, so I decided to come and say hi to you.
Thank you so much. That's really so nice of you.
I know. I know I'm a very nice person. So how have you been?
As you can see, I'm good. And you?
I'm fine.
Excuse me?
Okay.
Honorable.
Yes.
Your food is ready, baby.
Okay. Chika.
Oh no.
I have to go in and eat now, okay? So you have to wait for me.
Of course.
Alright, just make yourself comfortable.
I am.
Alright.
After you, darling.
Okay. Alright.
Anna! 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 Anna, your food is ready. Where do you think you're going?
Meaning?
Aren't you supposed to be in your mother's house preparing for you and my brother's wedding? You're here and not here. Yeah. Baby, your food is ready.
Your brother? Do you have a brother? Look, what you have is a goat. Let this be the last time you speak to me about an idiot. Excuse me. Honorable!
Anna! Did she just say that about my brother? It's okay. At least you people should offer me something now. Anna! Oh, wow. That girl is very mean. Though I'm not surprised because I told you earlier. Yes, I told you.
She must give me that money. You see that girl? She must give me that money. There is no hiding place for her in this village. If she lies, let her run into Honorable Cinco's stomach. I will use my cutlass and divide Cinco's stomach and bring her out. She must give me that money. Never.
Brother. See, her brother will enjoy you.
Mm-hmm.
He will enjoy you. If you ask me, I will say leave her with the money. Let her go with the money.
Will you shut up there? What do you know? What do you know? If we ask you, we are not even planning to ask you because you don't have anything to contribute. Yes. Hey. Nah. No, so now, what are you waiting for to give me my own share? Give me my own share now, okay? Yes, now. I tried to help you, just that it wasn't successful. But I tried my best. Nah, Platin.
You're asking me how? Didn't you drink akam with me? With the chicken and small stout? You took all these things with me. You want to eat the money. The remaining one that I used to start business. If I give you money, which one will I use to start business? You want to squander it. Now you want me to give you money. I'm not giving you any money. As for that girl, let her this relationship must continue. Let her come and suffer with me again. Because I've used all my money to drink akam.
Hey. Which relationship will continue? Answer me, which relationship? My brother, you've lost that girl. Yes, you've lost her. If you see the way I saw her at Honorable's house, hey, she came and said, honey, I have finished cooking with one skin pigger she was wearing. Just remove your mind from there. You've lost her.
I will not.
Give me my own share of the money. No, if I need walk here.
I should give you the money. You are still talking about money. So this is how women are. Women are very heartless. From today I'm beginning to suspect both of you. Are you not a woman? Are you both not women?
See, bro, I mean, I'm not like that, too. I'm not like that. I'm not heartless.
Tomorrow, this is what you do to a man, my fellow man. Hey! Jesus.
Don't count me join, no. Don't even include me.
Are you not a woman? Very heartless people. Very heartless people. When they see money, they go after money. when they see this thing, they go after. You see that honorable? You see that honorable? I will remove honor from his name. The ones will be rebel.
No,
Watch
so,
out.
No, so this is not what I'm talking about. At least give me 100,000 from the money. Let me just change myself. Let me change my wardrobe now. What is 100,000 out of 3 million naira?
How much is remaining?
But I mean, I'm not like that though.
I should give you 50,000. No, talk your own price. Talk your own. No, all of you should start talking your own on top of my money. The money I'm supposed to pay back in 3 years' time. I will give it to buy hair. After 3 years, I will sell the hair to give the government money back.
Are you this mean?
I'm man.
Ha! So fine way and give me
Jen,
the money.
wherever you are now, start counting my money so that you give me back to me.
You too. Start counting my own and give me.
Sister, welcome. Welcome back, sister.
Where's Chidi?
So I don't know. It says something about going to see Honorable Simko this morning.
I don't want to stay. Take me to Osondo's house.
Sister, do you think that's a good idea?
Ebere, please. Enough with your sermon. I'm not in the mood for it. Just take me to Osondo's house. You heard what the doctor said. You heard him, didn't you? I want to be close enough to hurt him. Take me to his house, and now.
Sister, this is not good. You need to rest. Sister, I understand how you feel, but it's a very bad idea.
Take me to his house.
You will not go anywhere.
No, so get out of my way.
You will not go anywhere. You will not go anywhere.
Hey, no, so.
You will not go anywhere.
No, so.
Come on,
no, so. Get out of my way.
You will not go anywhere. You will not go anywhere. You will not go anywhere. You must give me my money.
Leave me alone.
You must give me my money. There. It's either you marry me or you give me back my money. So choose one.
I am not choosing anyone. I am not choosing anyone.
Okay.
You wanted to use me to get to Simco, right? You got what you wanted, isn't it? I kept to my own part of the deal. What is it? Is it my fault?
He's a liar.
Let me tell you, whether you like it or not, I am Simco Will getting married. Deal with it.
Eh? Will you come back here? Listen, let me tell you.
Hey.
Let me tell you. You must give me that money. That money, Simco told me that it was a loan meant for me to pay back later. So you must give me back that money. It's not your business. That loan is my money. So I must get it back.
So how is that supposed
Take
to be?
time or you must give it to me. Oh.
How is that supposed to be my business, Nonso? Eh? See,
Okay.
the next time you arrest me like this, I will make sure that Simco arrests you. Nonsense! Stupid man!
Arrest me?
Yes.
You will not live here.
You want to have a fight?
You will not.
That's it. Don't rough handle me like that.
You will not live here.
Nonso.
You will not live here.
Nonso.
You will not live here.
Nonso.
If you like, shout. Okay, you are running. Okay, don't worry.
Nonsense.
You want to go?
Foolish man!
Let me tell you.
Come and hold me
You see that marriage? It will not work.
Eh.
That marriage will not hold. Though.
Eh.
What do you have is
I've
man.
worked already.
I will remove the man. And what is remaining is marriage.
You want
You will
to
see.
bet?
You will
Do
see.
you want to have a bet?
Okay.
The marriage has worked. Stupid man.
Ma through the kutele bam bam.
Shameless man.
Ma through the kutele bam bam.
Arrest me again.
Okay.
I will arrest your silly ass.
Okay.
Stupid man.
You will see. You will see. Ma will you not carry? That marriage will not work. That day, rain will follow until you spoil your cake. Nobody will eat that cake. You people are going to prepare. You will see. Go ahead and prepare marriage. Our marriage. I will remove the man. What you will see is rage. You will see it. Don't worry. I'm planning for you people. You cannot take my money and you go to go and marry another man and you want me to be happy. No way. I will kill you and kill that man. Honorable, I will make him to be honored. The rebel will go. You will see. Get ready, oh. Get ready. I'm planning. So go ahead and plan. As I'm planning for your wedding, I'm planning for your wedding.
Too many problems. Too many problems for this world. Too many problems for this world. Plenty wahala. Too many problems.
Allow my son to work. Let him go to work and make money and come and give us now to feed us.
Mama, I said he's going nowhere. Your son should give me money for my upkeep. Is it too much to ask? I'm carrying his child. Your grandchild, Mama. You should give me money. Yeah, man, I could give me money or something.
I don't have. Eh? Let me go to work so that I can have money and give to you. I don't have.
You don't have. But you have the one to give to them, okay? And you don't have to give to me. Osandu, give me money for my upkeep, oh! Give me money for my upkeep, Osandu!
We have to think twice over marrying this girl. From what I'm seeing now, this girl may marry Wayo. She's playing us Wayo. In fact, I am tired of this whole thing. I didn't expect this from you at all, not one bit.
So is your plan of where? It will not work. Your son must marry me either by hook or by crook. Yes, else all of you will sleep in police cell. You will sleep in cell by force.
Mama, calm down. We are not talking about marriage now. We are talking about work. Sweetheart. Let me go to work. Maybe I give you.
Also, I said you're not going to need
now you are young.
Is that how you're telling? Are you begging her? I must take care of myself. Let me go. Hey!
Honorable, no. Honorable, I will not take it. This is not good. You cannot just take my woman like that. And you want me to accept it. It's not good.
No, so you're very funny. But Jen told me that you guys are no longer together.
It's a lie, yo.
So allow me to get married to her.
No, I will not. It's a lie. We are still together. Honorable. How can you take her? You did not even take her honorably. You want to take from my back, take my girlfriend. I told you how much I love her, and you want to take her like that. I don't want it. You gave me money. You did not tell me that the money you gave me was a loan that I was supposed to pay, and I had to share it with her.
But no, so that was your deal with her. Don't worry, I'll give you something, okay? Just allow me to get married.
No, honorable. No, I love her. You cannot marry her. This is the woman I love. You asked me that day. I told you how much I love her. Now you want to come and marry her. Even if you want to marry her now, you have to pay me off. If you want to give me money, you give me something that worth it. That worth the love I have for my girlfriend. You want to so what do you need to do now? Tell me how much you're giving me. Let me know. Let me know what kind of house I'm going to be.
No, so I included your name on the list of those that will have the loan. Because your late father paid my school fees when I was in primary 3. So don't get me angry. Just go home. I'll give you something later. Alright? Go.
Honorable, I'm not going home. Honorable, you're going inside. You're going inside. Hey, you want to become an honorable criminal. Want to steal my girlfriend. You look at what you're going to steal. You do not see any other thing to steal in this village. It's my girlfriend. What is all this thing now? Am I the only one that has a girlfriend in this village? What is all this thing? Both of you want to play me? No problem. I will plan for you people. Honorable, anyway, until you give me money, it did not increase, and if 6 million is not even enough, let me go and plan when I'm going to the house I'm going to build.
Osandu!
Please. Stop making life difficult for me. Please. I want me and you to live in peace.
Gospel of St. John.
Stop doing this to me.
I don't want to hear it.
Please now.
I said you should give me money. I am hungry, Osandu.
Let me go to work.
Go to where? I said you are not going anywhere. You must give us money. Hey. I want to eat. We are hungry.
What is it again this morning? Ogini. Linda, stop. Now Mama. Why are you like this? What is this?
Where is the idiot? Osandu.
What is this now? What is going on there?
Osandu, we've brought my sister Ogoshi to you as your second wife. Take her as your wife. Take care of her until she can walk again with her 2 legs. And if you think what we are doing now does not make sense to you, let anything happen to her and see if you wake up the next day. If anything happens to my sister, I don't deal with you. Don't call me Ojuku, aka Africa.
Shut up, you joker!
Come on, shut up there. Yeah, Osandu, Kangwadi. I don't want to kill you. But what will make me kill you is that you take care of my sister and marry her as the second wife. If not, what will come to you will be very, very dangerous. Irugo? Next time in your life, once you see the Ochubas family, you take for your heels one time.
ndị ala. Bịa, Ebele, Ojukwu, ngwa ịnaba. Ugochi, ịnọ ebe ahụ. If anything happens, call me. No, Yan.
Sister, here's your bag. Take care of my sister. Take care of my sister.
If anything happens, call me.
Now come back. I haven't gotten to this now. What is this?
Osandu! Osandu! Hey! Osandu! Prepare for your death.
Hey.
Did you see her? Brother Alonso.
So this is how women are. If not that you are my sisters, I would have sold both of you.
What did we do? Talk to us now. What happened? What happened, Nonso?
So, Simko wants to marry Jane. Eh? Simko wants to marry Jane. It will not happen. That marriage will not hold. I will stop it.
Really? How did you get this information?
Simko told me. I was there now. I'm just coming from there. They will see. I'm going to plan for them. No problem. Jane, I know you are bad.
But that one is not my problem. No, so as you can see, I'm on my way back to the city. Let me continue my job hunting. I'm not doing anything in this village.
Okay. Now that I'm fighting my case, you want to go back to the city? It's alright. It's better you go. Better go. Go. Let me think of
it. No problem. Let me go. But no, so manage the money that is remaining with you. Manage it very well. Remember, you are paying back in 3 years' time. Ask The
malt you took, stout and the chicken, where would the money come out from? It's good that you are going back to the city so that when you reach there, you hustle and know how much you can save. So that when the government will come, you pay some money. Do you understand? Manage the money. Manage it that if I'm the one eating it alone. Eh?
I just told you, don't use the money and continue drinking akama and akara. You, take care of your brother. I'm out.
Oh.
Make sure you take care of him.
Leave.
Bye-bye, sister. I'll miss you. Bye.
Better follow us so that both of you go to the city and hustle. The malt you took, all the things I gave you, start preparing your own money. Please. You are going to. All of us are going to vomit 3 million for government. If not, they're going to anger.
Mama, never. But I tell this thing here to get out, else she will have it hot with me. Get out,
Linda. This time I had expected you to be calm. You should have been calm. I am tired of all this your trouble. I am tired. Biko.
Hi, Mama, please. Biko, don't even beg me. Please. Your son? I will not forgive him. I will not forgive your son. He will have a taste of what I'm feeling. The only thing that will take me out of this place is death. Nobody should underrate me. Forget the fact that I'm on this wheelchair. What I will do is in my heart.
Mama,
is she threatening my husband?
Amazim, I don't know. Amaram, Ajunam.
Please. Fight your fight. But if you choose to fight mine, hey.
Osandu, where are you going to? Osandu, where are you going? You're going inside.
Osandu,
you
better don't leave me here.
Osandu, you will have it hot with me in this house. Better leave. So your people brought you here to come and share my man with me, and you came. You didn't hear about me. You didn't ask questions. Okay. Stay, but plan to be buried alive. Osandu, you.
Osandu.
Mama, go and bring out your son. Yeah, I cannot climb here. Go and bring out your son. I am not going
Mama, honorable. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, Ojukwu. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Very, very fine. Thank you, my son. Thank you so much for everything. I don't even know how to thank you.
It is well. Mama, where is Jen?
Jen!
Yes, Mama. Honorable.
Jen, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Jane, is that all? Come and greet him well now. You bend down, the women's style. I'm your brother, I'm in support. Bend down. I'm your brother, I'm supporting you. Come on, stay here, stay here. Stand there.
Jen, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. Ojukwu, I brought something for the family, okay?
He brought things for me.
No, for the family.
For the family.
Yes. Let's go to
Mama, he brought something for me. You brought this for me, right? Yeah. Enough for them, me.
Let me open the boots.
He brought something for me. Hi. Take it.
Brought things for me. For the family.
I went to Iche Idika to beg and plead, but he referred me back to you, Chidi. Let's not settle this matter like this. Let's find a better way to address this issue.
Bianwaya, did you come to my house to tell me bullshit? Huh? If your son thinks he is stubborn, I will tell him that I am more stubborn than he is. Onayala, eh? Listen, the doctor has said that my sister Ugochi will be on that wheelchair for 2 months. 2 months! As long as she's still in your house, she will stay there until she gets better.
You all know that my daughter-in-law is not friendly. And because of her, my daughter has left the house for all of us. So who help me take care of Ugochi? Ebele, please come with me and help me take care of me.
Mama Sondu, please don't even call my name. You people should better take care of my sister, else there will be war. You're calling my name.
Bianwaya, all these things you are talking is nonsense. I will kill your son, If you will not take care of my sister, I will kill him, tell him,
Go now.
My own is nobody to take care of her. Me, I'm tired though. I'm old.
Better take care of my sister,
I've not started with you people, This whole community, this whole village, we come and gather for all of us. Ndiala.
My goodness! What is the meaning of this? Chai, I didn't know you were here. Oh, sorry. That is what you deserve. You said your coming in here is to come and deal with us, okay? Bring it on. Bring it on. No. Wheel your chair and come and fight me. It is obvious you would die in my hands. It is very obvious. Which hands? This one's. Listen. By the time I go in there and come out, and you're still here, you will be surprised at what I will do to you. Let me tell you, the water I'm coming out with now might be hot. And you know you're fair, idiot. So if I pour it on you, you will peel. Nonsense.
What kind of life is this? What am I going to do? Why are these people so wicked to me? How will I handle this issue now? I think I'm going to handle this girl with iron hand so that she can leave my house. Yes. And Linda is not even helping matters at all. If I fail to marry her now, it is going to be a problem to me. What am I going to do?
coming. I'm coming to that place. Fair enough. Eh? Coming. Oga Keke, they go. Keke, they go. Oga Keke, they go.
What is it?
We're not fighting.
No, we are fighting. Leave me alone. Go. Just go. Leave me alone. Find another Keke. I'm not the lead Keke driver around here. Just go. Leave me alone. Ah, okay. Who are you?
Oga, you're sounding like someone that has family problem. Take it easy. Life is dead. We're not fighting. No, he's the Keke person. Keke driver.
Ako wasiyadi, absku wasiyala. Ifanga jamaya, ifanga jamaya, chima.
Hurry up, please, hurry up. Me, eat their food. Since you want them to poison me, is that what you want for your sister? So be fast about it, and I'm even hungry. When you're coming, come with that stuff. Listen to me, I am hungry, and you know I have drugs to take. Oh, okay. Please, hurry up, please. I know.
How are you? Ugochi, I'm talking to you. How are you?
Hey, Mama, please, Biko, please. I am not in the right frame of mind. Please.
Have I not been nice to you? Why are you attacking me? Eh? Why are you attacking me like this? I just went to your house to tell your sister and your brother to help us come here and help us out. But they refused to come.
Please, like I said earlier, I am not in the right frame of mind. Please, just leave me alone. Oh,
I'm
sorry.
Sorry.
Mama, wait. Are you begging this fool? Eh?
Linda, just shut your mouth. Now, I don't want to hear your voice in this matter. Allow me to think. Let me know where my son's problem is coming from. I'm not liking this anymore.
Wait. Are you talking to me anyhow because of this thing?
It's alright.
Go ahead, beggar.
Ugochi, I am pleading with you. Forgive my son. Forgive us. It wasn't intentional. It wasn't planned. Not one accident.
Forgive him while I'm like this. Eh? Forgive him. Hey. Osondu, you are not going anywhere up until you give me money for feeding.
What did I hear you say? Madam Wheelchair.
Sweetheart. Leave this idiot alone. Okay? Nanya, I don't know your mission here. But I will assure you that you will rot in this house. You are going to suffer in this house. As soon as my mother stops taking care of you, you will rot. You will die in this house.
Osondu, you lie. You will give it to me. No. You will give me money for feeding. And I'm here to make things worse for you. I don't care about what this your evil wife says. But you give me the money. Today. Wait. What did you just call me? You heard me.
Ugochi.
And that is what you are.
Ugochi, you will not insult my wife. You will not try it.
And what will you do?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
If you say you a man and you have balls, touch me!
Ma, come on,
a grown baby elephant!
Ma,
touch me!
No,
touch me!
No, elephant! Somebody help me! Help me! Help me!
This is serious. So she can be that foolish.
Hey, my bear is very serious. Now Simko will have her.
Child. So this is how your brother lost her.
Hey! Yes, so. But he insists that he will not let her go.
Akoko, he has to let her go. He has no choice. Only a choice like this matter now. He does not have any choice. After all, he started it. Which man in his right sense? Think of that. Which man?
He has given Simko a wife indirectly.
So he should just accept that he has lost. There are no two ways about it.
Uche, I tire for my brother. Like, I'm tired of him. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
You people just say good morning.
I don't need your greetings. Keep it to yourselves. I don't need it. Good morning.
I will just ordinary greeting. You make no.
Gossips, why are you people here? Okay, you people are here to greet all the villagers. Go and fetch water.
Mama, why are you doing fetching water?
Chineke, is it your business? How does it this fetching water affect you? Eh? You know, it's only in this community that I see that when somebody is sleeping comfortably, trouble come knock, come out, let's make trouble. Mind yourselves, mind your businesses. Mind yourselves, mind your businesses. Go and fetch water and stop gossiping. Whether I fetch water or not, is it your business? Obasarunu. Stupid. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourselves. Now.
What is even wrong with that?
It's okay. Eh? See, it's okay. I understand why she's doing this. She's going through a lot. Didn't you hear that our daughter-in-law is very, very wicked? Very mean. That girl is troublesome. And again, Ojuku and Brother Chidi, they carried Ugochi to go and stay with her. So things are not easy for her at all. I understand why she's like this. Please, let's go.
What's my business with that one? Hey, if she has problem, she's the only one that has problem. I have problem too. I have an iPhone problem. I want to buy an iPhone. That's my problem. I need money.
I've always told you that you don't have sense.
I've always told you don't have sense.
My leg!
You say you! I will show you in this house. If you don't leave this house right now, you will see what I will do to you. Get out! Leave here now! Tell her to go!
Ugochi, this is not fair. Eh? Why would you do this?
Hey! Mind what you say to me. Watch your mouth.
Hey! You hurt me so bad. You made me to cry.
What is going on here? Eh? What is going on? What is going on here? What is going on here? Hey, Linda, what is happening? What is going on here? Talk to me now. What is this house? Oh, give me.
Hey, Ugochi! Hey, Ugochi stabbed us on the wall.
Is he? Hey! Ugochi! Ugochi, I'm gonna bet you!
Mama, please!
I'm gonna bet you! I'm an animal! Ugochi!
That is it,
Where is he? Where is he?
Mama, I gave your son exactly what he cooked for me.
getting a taste of what is good for. Mama, push this girl away now. Push her out. Don't come close. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
You have to be going now.
Where is Osondu? Where is Osondu? Where did they take him to?
This is way too
Where did they take him to? Where did they take Osondu to? Hey! I'm a you!
Let's go.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Honorable, it will not happen. No. It will not happen. You cannot just come back to the village and take my girlfriend. Is that how to be an honorable member? It will not happen. Please. You give me back my girlfriend and take back your 3 million. What is 3 million? I can count it and give you.
No, so? Are you challenging me in my own house?
Oh no, bro, I'm not challenging you, but do the right thing. Do the right thing. If I don't tell you, somebody will tell you. What is all this thing? Other people are in the House of Assembly collecting loan and collecting other things. Looting federal funds. You are in the village here looting Nonso's girlfriend. Is that how to do things? Do the right thing, please. 3 million is nothing.
What is going on here?
You are hugging him.
Don't mind this foolish boy. Let's go inside.
What is this idiot doing here?
Let's go in. Don't mind him.
Go in here. Nobody's going in here. Nobody's going in here. I will climb this thing now and start destroying things.
Okay,
this crucifix of Jesus Christ, I will take it away. And God will leave your house.
Baby, just calm down. Please.
Call people to bring money for me.
Hello, good morning, Inspector. Yes, good morning. There's a foolish boy in my house. They are ranting.
I know Vigilant Group. Vigilant Group will settle this.
Okay. Foolish boy. No, come back. Come back. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir, don't. No, sir, I'm warning you. I am warning you. Stop my wife down. No, sir, I'm warning you. No, sir. Be careful. No, sir. No, sir, I'm warning you. Leave this house, right? Leave this house on the back. It's on you. Leave this house. Foolish boy. I said, leave this house, my friend. Leave this house. Get over here, my friend. Useless boy. Maybe it's okay. Let's go. Have you seen that? Maybe it's okay. Calm down. Boy.
Honorable.
Useless thing.
Give me my girlfriend.
I will make sure you rot in jail.
Honorable.
I'll call the they will get you arrested. Let's go. I will make sure you rot in jail. I will make sure you rot in jail. Useless boy. Baby, come. Baby, it's okay. Baby, come, let's go.
I will take your wig.
Let's go.
I will take your wig.
Let me see you.
I will take your wig.
Let's go.
No, sir, this is what I catch you.
You are not
going to catch you.
I will kill you.
Don't worry, let's go.
You must arrest him.
I'll wait. I hope you're not home. I hope you're fine, right? Let's go. It's okay. I love you so much. It's okay.
I will climb your fence, sir.
Useless boy.
Honorable, give me my girlfriend. I will climb your fence, sir. Let her give me my wig. That wig, I bought it.
Foolish boy.
Honorable, you're an honorable criminal, oh. You're not even a big man. You have shown me you're not a big man. Afonsi. Honorable Afonsi. You are nobody. Honorable, you are here stealing my girlfriend. I will burn down your house. You will see it. Look at your beers. You do not eat vegetable very well. Okay.
Wow. Hi. But are you serious? Hi. That man is a very, very good man.
A very nice one.
Wow, brother. So you mean that you and brother Ujuku, you both have 3 million naira each now?
You can say that again, Ebele. Yes, so. In fact, from the run, you know, he even added 1 million naira for Ujuku on top.
Wow.
Yes. But one thing he said again, that we should forgive Osondo and his family. He pleaded on their behalf.
Yes, but I agree. Let's just forgive them. If not for anything, because of Honorable Cinco. Let's forget it. Yeah. I even went there today. I saw the mother going to the stream.
How about Ugochi?
She's fine, but she still wants to hurt Osondo. She asked me to get her a knife yesterday.
Give me.
And I gave it to her. I don't know what she wants to do with her life.
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you. It's Hey, I am so happy.
Yeah, Ugochi, what is it?
They say revenge is best served cold. And I served Osondo just about the same food he cooked for me. As we speak, he's in the hospital, having his bed rest the same way I took mine. Sister, why did you do this now?
Ugochi, is your name again?
Sister, why did you do it now? I stabbed him! I stabbed him! Stabbed him! Sister, why now? Sister, cute.
Stab Ukwa.
Ako wasili, absku wasila. If I got your mama, if I got your mama, Chima.
Mama, so this is me now. Eh? Mama, so this is my life now. Eh? No, this is my life. No, what did I do to Gochi? No, Kelife Melia, like a Kakolia. Eh? It happens all the time, and she did this to me. No, she has to pay. Ah! Ugochi will pay for this. It's not possible.
Definitely. Also, let there be peace. After all, she has retaliated.
There will be peace after she pays for this.
Exactly, George. Let God be the judge.
Mama, leave God out of this. Let God judge what? Eh? Look at what she did to my husband.
Are you mad? You want your husband to go back to what he has been making him angry? Is that your plan? Or man, eh? So this is how you're going to be a good man to your husband? If it is like that, let us abort this marriage before I contract hire. After we have not paid your dowry. I am not happy with you. Go and make food for your husband. Go and make food for your husband.
Mama, wait. Is it me you are telling after all you've not paid my dowry? Eh? What have I said wrong now? Anyway, I don't have your strength. And I cannot prepare any food right now. I was here waiting for people to come back so I can make food for me to eat. As you can see, I'm pregnant.
Linda.
Eh?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Inayala, you cannot make food for me. I'm in pain. I just came in from the hospital. You cannot make food for me. Inaya, are you mad? Demonte, you see this marriage that we're planning? If it is going to ever work, you will change. Hey, you will change. You must learn to comport yourself from now. Going on. You will learn to comport yourself, oh. I have been swallowing too much. Get back in there and make me food.
Awesome. Were you talking to me? Or
I am talking to you now. We are like, I'm talking to you. Who are you? Who are you? Who is your father? I'm talking to you. You're asking me who I'm talking to.
Are you still there?
Are you mad?
Are you still there?
I'm talking to you. Your sister, you're looking at me. Get out. Get out. Get out. Can you imagine the truth?
It's good like
that. Get back to
Oh, monkey.
Get back to
So do I remember? Every time I'm pregnant, pregnancy.
I didn't repay.
I don't know. Eh? Nah. Don't react yet. Oh, one.
No problem.
Just don't react. Because if this thing continues, I will personally send you out of this house.
No problem.
Now I'm going to sleep. Did you sleep? Go inside and make food. Go and make food. Go and make food. Every time I'm pregnant. So talking about him. You're the only one that has never been pregnant in this whole community. I wasn't pregnant. I didn't give birth to your husband. Someone did not give birth to you. Anofia, idiot. Let me hear it again.
This guy has changed, though. Linda, you have to behave. Linda, you have to behave, oh. Chai! If not that the doctor said if I abort this pregnancy, I will die. What am I still doing with these people? I would have been long gone. Hi! Power don't change handle. Power has changed hands. I better stay here before they kill me out there.
Ugochi, I want to go back to Onisa. Oh? I want you to keep yourself safe from me. Oh? Just keep hiding yourself inside the house. Don't come out so that useless boy will not come and hurt you.
Brother, he will do nothing. Osondu will not do anything. He's lily-livered. He cannot try anything. He knows.
Sister Brother is right. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Biko, Osondu Kwano. So I should go into hiding because of Osondu. Hey, I'm here waiting for him. He will do nothing. He dares not.
Oh, so all I just know is for you to be safe.
I will be safe.
Hey, Billy, you are here to always look after her. Yes. Eh? I'll be going back to Onisa. I'll be coming from time to time to check on you. Oh? I'm going to come to one. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. I am not ready for you. I did not come here because of you. Keep your talk to yourself. Please. I came here because of my brother's problem. Don't bring your own.
Uchu, please. Don't be angry with me. Eh? Ask Mama. I no longer give issues. I've changed. Oh?
You? Change? Ha! Are you sure this is coming from Linda?
Yes. It's coming from me. Eh? I have totally changed. And I want people to change as well. Because I would like my child to be born in a peaceful home. Oh?
Okay. Since you know you're supposed to change, and you've changed.
Taking this. I have endured for too long. Ugochi, no, leave me alone. Ugochi cannot do this to me. And I go so, what's not possible? What did I ever do to her? See my leg. See my leg. So what did I do? No, what did I do? No, I must take back my pound of flesh. I will take back my... What did I do? Let me go. Let me go. Baby, let me go. Ujo will not put me in this condition. And I'm going to sit back like this as she sits in her father's house. What's not possible? Let me go. I'll cut you. Let me go.
Peace.
Hi. Oh, let me go. I will drop this up. Let me.
Would you hold him? Brother, hold him.
Brother. You cannot do anything. What did I ever do? I will not be the first to come out. Sit down.
No. Would you follow him? Follow him. Brother. This bush will calm down, eh? Because me, I've calmed down. I change you go one.
Wayne, you should join me in this peaceful ministry. Because I want my child to be born in a peaceful home. I've changed. Is that not what they want? Eh?
You hurt me so bad. You made me to cry. All I want is your sorry. I Jeremy Fasa. Nagandi final of justice.
You are late. What have to happen? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
This world is too small.
Honorable, I greet you once again. I want to say a big thank you for your help so far and the promises you just made to us. But with all due respect, sir, I will not forgive Osondu. And if Osondu refuses to get married to me, I will go naked and lay a curse on him. Who is he keeping me for?
Yes, Honorable. I support her.
I thought you've already had your revenge.
That is not enough. It is not enough.
Honorable, we've tried our best to talk to her. Now, you see, I wouldn't want my late brother's sister to kill herself or that stupid Osondu. So Osondu must marry her. That's my judgment.
Exactly, Honorable. Honorable, with all due respect, the last time we came to your place, you pleaded with us to forgive Osondu. But right now, he is threatening to kill my sister, and we will not sit here and watch that happen. It's either Osondu malice my sister, else it must not end here.
Chidi, that's exactly what I'm talking about. No, Honorable, who is Osondu to threaten my sister Ugoshi with a cutlass? This is a vendetta. This is vendetta. If he refuses to marry my sister, Ojuku, aka Africa, when I speak, no fly flies, my spirit is moving. We kill him.
You people should calm down. Just don't worry. Osondu will see war and run. It's a scallywag. Idiot.
No banshee. You were busy making mouth. Yaga Jukwa say,
a common bizaga. Idiot.
Onyala. He thinks he can threaten us and just go scot-free like that. Onyeko.
And he's boasting, making mouth.
Don't worry, we'll see what.
Never! That will never happen! Over my dead body! There is no way you're going to marry that thing! You will not marry Osondu! Never! I won't let you do that!
I'm begging you, Obimbiko. Please. These people are threatening my life. They're saying that if I don't marry their sister, that they will make my life impossible. That I have put her on a wheelchair, that no man will marry her, that even if she lives in a wheelchair, that she'll be limping for life. That I have to take responsibility. I swear to you, Obim, that I cursed the day that my keke hit that girl. Biko, save my life. Biko, save my life. My life is in your hands. Please, I beg you. Let me marry her. Please, please. I cannot even walk. Every time I go out to look for what you and I will eat, his brothers will arrange their friends. They'll start harassing me or they'll start fighting me. For how long are we going to live like that? Let her just be here now. Let her just be here. Please. Please. I know this is hard. But Obi, you can do it. You could do this and save my life. So that you don't sit down here one day and I go to work and I don't come back. Because these boys might take my life. Biko,
hard.
I know it is hard. Hi, Biko, I know that I have betrayed the love that you and I have for each other.
It's so hard.
I know, but you can do it. Obi, I'm on my knees, I'm begging you. You can do this. Biko. Obi, love me, Biko. Save my life. Biko, save my life. Please. 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 I will love you. I will continue to love you the way I have loved you forever. I will put you first in everything that I do. Okay, you will be the first. You shall be my first wife. I shall taste your drink first. I give you my word. Biko, you'll be the first wife. Biko, you'll be my number one forever. Eh? Biko.
Promise me that you would always love me.
Forever. 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 Obin, I will love you till the day that I die. Biko. Nobody shall ever come close to what you mean to me.
Sunday.
Biko.
I do all that I do because I do not want to lose you.
You will not lose me. If I didn't want to be with you, I would not tell you to come here and meet my mother. Biko, I'm on my knees. I'm begging you to please save my life and allow me marry this girl. Her brothers will kill me, oh. They will kill me.
Sandra, I am losing you.
You are not losing me. Promise. You will never lose me. Obin, you will never lose me. You will never lose me. I promise you.
Are you sure you will not change?
You will never change. I'll never change.
Promise me.
I promise.
Promise me that you will never change.
I give you my word. I'll never change.
Don't leave me.
I won't leave you. I won't leave you. I know this is hard, but please be cool. Say yes. Say yes. Say save my life. Please. Please.
Okay.
Huh?
Sunday.
Huh?
I'm doing this because I do not want you to go to work and not return to me.
Please.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Please.
That is why I am doing this.
Thank you. You will not regret it. I promise you. Because
Sandra, please don't disappoint me.
I will not disappoint you. I will never disappoint you. I promise you. I will not disappoint you.
Are you sure? Sure. Please don't leave
I will
me.
love you forever. Forever.
I'm very happy that all of us are here to settle the matter this way. Thank you, Honorable Simko, for your intervention. If not, it wouldn't have been like this. But for peace to reign, we have to take it that way. Osondo has agreed to marry both of you as his wives. So the whole thing is settled. Osondo, where?
Yes, Bichi. Like you said, in the interest of peace and given the present circumstances, as much as I wish is avoidable, but it is not. I have agreed to marry Linda and Ugochi as my wives.
In that case, Linda, our daughter, should be given drinks first.
Uncle, please. It does not matter who gives the drink first. Let's just go on with this.
Oswando, who do you take as your first wife among the two women?
Linda came into my life first, Uncle.
Okay.
So the answer would be Linda.
In that case, Maya, leave her drink. Akwụkwọ aka. Ngwa, bute m. Ọ dị egwu.
Beautiful baby. My beautiful sister. Hey, Chai.
Please, I can't kneel.
We know about that. Thank you very much.
Uncle, what's your deal? Uncle, what's your love? If I got your Maria, if I got your Maria,